Good.
The 3 times table. Take your hand, your left hand, and put it flat down on your lap or on your desktop, like this. Then you take your right hand, open your fingers wide and put it next to it. Now, you have to learn the numbers for your fingers. This finger is number 1. That ring finger on your left hand is number 2. That long finger is number 3. Pointy finger number 4. Thumb number 5. Over to the right hand, right thumb number 6. Pointy finger number 7. Long finger number 8. Ring finger number 9. Little finger number 10. Now, remember the numbers for your finger. I'm going to repeat. Finger number 1. Finger number 2. Finger number 3. Finger number 4. Finger number 5. Finger number 6. Finger number 7. Finger number 8. Finger number 9. Finger number 10. Let's do some skip counting. You know, if we want to skip count in threes, we will say 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. 6 times 3, 18. 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 3, 27. 10 times 3, 30. Now there's a way we're going to do it. Let's write. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. 6 times 3, 18. 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 3, 27. 10 times 3, 30. Skip count like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Do you hear my rhythm? We're going to do it like this. Quick, 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 quick. Double count, quick, 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 and repeat for the last 4 fingers. Quick, 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 quick. Let's do it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 21, 24, 27, 30. Let's do it again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 21, 24, 27, 30. That's our skip counting. Now we are going to do the dance table. Now we say 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 equals 15. 7 times 3 equals 21. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 times 3 equals 27. And 10 times 3 equals 30. Now we cover up. Take your hand and you cover up your hand. Take your right hand and cover up. And now we say the tables. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 3 equals 18. 7 times 3 equals 21. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 times 3, 27. 10 times 3, 30. We can mix it up. What is 3 times 3? 9. What is 7 times 3? 21. What is 9 times 3? 27. What is 5 times 3? 15. What is 2 times 3? 6. So you cover your answers and that is how you learn your 3 times table. If you do it this way, you will remember it for a lifetime.
Wow. Let us look at the steps and follow it again. Number 1, you put your hands in front of you. Secondly, you must know which finger is the number. If you look at your left hand and you look at the thumb, that finger is number 5. Your pinky finger at the left hand is at the right hand is number 10. And the pinky finger at your left hand is number 1. Pointy finger of your left hand is number 3. So you look at your hands and you write the numbers on your fingers so that you know which finger is the number. Then you start to skip count. Can you still remember your skip count? You say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 21, 24, 27, 30. Then you are going to write down your table. Remember now that the number for your finger is on top of the finger. And now that you are going to write the answer, you write it in the finger. And then the last step is you are going to cover it up and say it. It makes you to help it remember easily. Well, that's our 5 steps to learn the 3 times table. There's another way. Now I want to check on you. Do you know how to do it this way? Well, I call it my grid. This is my grid. There I've got my times. I'm busy with the 3 time table. And if I say now 1 times 3, I wonder who can give me this answer. Anyone who would like to raise a hand? What is 1 times 3? Bess, would you like to tell me the answer?
It's 3.
It's 3. That's correct. 3. Okay, let me just meet you again. Okay, next one. 2 times 3 equals 6.
3 times 3, 6, 9.
And 3 times 3 equals
9.
5. What is 4 times 3?
4 times 3, 12.
Well done. 5 times 3?
15.
Good. 6 times 3?
21.
6 times 3, look again. 6 times 3 equal?
18.
18. Now, 7 times 3 equals 21. And 8 times 3?
24.
Yes. 9 times 3?
27.
Good. And 10 times 3?
30.
30. Can you see that's also another way to write down your tables? We call it the table grid. Did you find that skip counting easy?
Yes, ma'am.
And the way that we do it on our hands, was that easy for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute. Let me just mute these 2 hands again. Okay, let's go on. Another word for times. Another word for times is, say it, I want to move your mouth and say it, multiplication. Multiplication is also another word for times. So I can talk about do your multiplication, the 3 time multiplication, or the 3 times table. Right. Now here is the homework, and here I'm going to explain it again. You are going to trace your 2 hands. You're going to take your 2 hands with your palms flat down on a big piece of paper. Then you are going to trace your hand. First, if you are right-handed, you take your pencil in your right hand and you trace your left hand And then you take your left hand and trace your right hand so that you've got this. And remember what we did on that video I showed you? Then you are going to number your fingers and you're going to write the number for you. Know the numbers for your fingers and write it down. So on that pinky finger, you are going to start writing down number 1 and on top of it. And then the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one. And then you go over to the thumb of your right hand and you write that one there. And then I don't want to tell the numbers because that's your homework. I want to see if you can remember. But this is so easy. I'm sure you can do it. And then you're going on and you number all your fingers until you get to the little one. If you've done that, you are start going to count. Then you say that first finger is 3. And of course, you go on and you add another 3, 6, 9, 12. And so you go on and you write it down inside your fingers, the counting. And if you've done that, you are going to write out the table by saying 1 times 3. Oopsie. 1 times 3, and then there's your answer. Can you see it? 1 times 3 equals 3. And so you are going to write them all down. And if you've done that, voila, you've got your tables. Good. Now, I wonder if we can try and practice our skip counting on the new method we've just learned today. Shall we try something? You think I can try and unmute all and then I will tell you when to start. We're going to do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 21, 24, 27, 30. Can we try that together? Let me try. Let me try. Ooh, I hope I can get it correct to unmute. Okay, I've got it. Are you ready? Let's try.
Yes, teacher.
Let's hear your voice. Let's start. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
12,
24, 27, 30. Remember, it's fast.
20,
And again, now we repeat. 21,
21,
24, 27, 30.
30,
Okay.
36, 39, 42,
40,
We only go up to 10 because we have 10 fingers. Can you see that?
45, 48, 50, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 68, 70, 75, 78.
I just want to show you something. If you look at your fingers, we've got 10 fingers. Therefore, we are doing it up to the 10 times. But we know if we want to do 11 times, it's 30 plus another 3 gives us 33. And if we've got 33 and we add another 3 on top of that, we've got 36. So, but a nice and quick and easy way to do this is only up to 10 times 3. Right, everyone is now ready. Let's listen to the way we're going to count it. And we must be fast. We say 3, 6, 9, 12. And then when you get to the thumb, it's the teens here. You say 15, 18, and then you go quick again. 21, 24, 27, 30. Have you got it? Let's practice.
Yes.
Let's practice. Let's do it. 3, 6,
9,
12, 15, 18. Fast now. 21, 24, 27, 30.
30.
And then we repeat it. Then we start here again. When we say again, 21, 24, 27, 30. And that is the way you are going to practice it.
30.
But your homework is you are going to draw the hands and draw up your own 3 times table. What do you say about that? Nice. That's going to be nice. Nice homework for today.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now we're going on. Let's see. What do you say? Maths is fun, guys.
Yes, teacher.
Any
Maths is fine.
screenshots?
And I will see you tomorrow.
I missed it.
Remember the time?
Yes, teacher.
10 o'clock.
And
See
check.
you tomorrow. Remember the time at 10 o'clock. Goodbye, guys. Love you lots.